Within the bridges department, we are very busy with major projects in Scotland and England. The Forth Road Bridge truss and link replacement is a project we've been working on for a while. We're replacing big structural members at the end of the bridge deck where they connect to the towers. We've done all the structural strengthening inside the towers. The Kessock Bridge in Inverness, we're just in the early stages of providing a new underdeck access gantry. We designed that in previous years, and now we're on site doing surveys and gathering information to make sure that we have all the information required to manufacture off-site. We're procuring a supply chain, on-site doing surveys and getting ready to mobilise later in the year. Kessock Bridge underdeck gantry will be finished in March 2019. Erskine Bridge, we are back on site finishing a cable painting project. The main underdeck gantries are due a principal inspection, so we're just preparing to actually remove those from the bridge and give them a thorough overhaul. And at the same time, for the last 4 or 5 months, we've been working on replacement of the main roller bearings on the south side of the bridge. These are the main articulation joint where the bridge expands and contracts with thermal changes and loads on the bridge, and we're currently facing a difficult period of making sure that major utilities, gas and water, are fully engaged with the project and everybody's 100% happy with the methodology. Humber Bridge, we are replacing the hanger cables, 3 hanger cables that attach the main cable to the bridge deck. They're responsible for keeping the bridge stable. We're taking 3 of them out and putting new cables in, so the existing cables can be sent away for destructive testing. We install a temporary access cradle and design specialist jacking equipment to take the load out of the existing hanger so that we can lower it off and then hoist a new one in and then transfer all the loads into the new cable. We should be on site later in the year doing the exchange, and then early 2019 for the destructive testing of the existing hangers. Ultimately, the results of the destructive testing will dictate when the existing hangers are replaced. If the results are favourable, then we can postpone, or the Humber Bridge Board can postpone the replacement of the remaining hangers for some time. If there are some concerns, then they may need to bring those works forward. There is a good pipeline of work in the future, and it's looking positive.